Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to talk about how do you pack light. I guess everyone will understand what's the meaning of packing light. I mean, how to pack light means, you take simple things like you're going somewhere for 2 days, so you take something for 2 days. I want to learn that, but it's very difficult for me to learn that. I don't know how to pack light. So let me show you like what I packed just for these 2 days, and I'm going to explain. So let me try first to explain to you why I pack a lot of things for 1 day or for 2 nights. So first I think of like you're walking and then the bed poops on you and that is dirty, and then if you don't have extra clothes then you're stuck. And also as ladies, we don't know what to wear. What should I wear? What should I wear? What should I? It's different from when you're going to the hiking places. Thereby, you don't need to pack a lot of things. But then when you're at a very nice hotel, a luxury hotel, then you are not sure what to pack and what to wear. Like me, it's very difficult. I'm like, oh, I'm going to wear these shoes. Then I'm like, oh no, not these shoes are not like that. So these are some of the reasons. And the way I pack for my clothes, that's the way I pack for my partner's clothes. Because it's always like that in case he's messed up himself maybe while eating and then we don't have extra clothes. So what is he going to do? So let me show you now how many things I packed for only these 2 days. The weekend, this weekend. Let me show you what I packed for myself and for him. Let's start. Okay, so here we are. I want to show you one by one what I packed for only these 2 days. So this is my trouser, my Elizabeth Franchi one. Then this is my, in case it's cold, this is the skirt, dinner, and this is the skirt to wear also dinner. And this is the skirt also to wear, I don't know, to wear where, I don't know. So my swimming things, I don't even know if I'm going to swim today. These are my lingerie. Also, this is my gown. My lingerie here. My trouser. Then this is for my husband, Then this is my Louis Vuitton scarf. I don't know why I packed it, because I have the Hermes scarves also. And then just imagine, for this simple, I packed like, these are 3 trousers for my husband. This is my dress. And then the shades for him, they are here. Then let me show you the other funny things I packed for these 2 days. It's the shoes and the handbags. So these are the jewelries here. And then now, guys, you can see I packed, so these are now the shoes I packed just for this Valentino. I wore them Chanel, Valentino, Cassadai, okay, and Christian Louboutin. Shoes only for 2 days. And then the slippers, I wore them. Then the handbags, let me show you the handbags. So my Chanel handbag here, my Chanel purse, what else? My Chanel handbag also, let me try to remove it. My Chanel handbag. So these are Hermes scarves here. And then This is my Louis Vuitton Never Full. Just imagine for 3 days, this is what I packed. I don't pack light. So this is because I always think in case of anything happens and we don't have extra clothes, and I just don't want to buy, to buy things. So that's why I choose like to pack, so that we don't buy a lot of things. So you can have a look. Yes, guys. So I don't pack light. Okay, guys. So thank you for watching my fast, simple video of how to pack light when you're going for holidays. Okay, bye.